Excuse the messy table, but I just wanted to do a quick video, show everybody how I take the injector seals and the old copper ring off of the Duramax injectors. Okay, so here's the new ones right here. The old O-ring come off. Let's get a pair of vice grips and work it off like that. And the old O-ring come off with the injector when I removed it. Then I get a piece of Scotch-Brite and I clean it up. I clean up the nozzle. Then after I do that, I will wipe it off. Then get the new copper washer, put it on as far as I can. Then I get a socket and just push it on. Then get the O-ring. If this is pretty dry, use some like grease or something, but this one right here is actually not too bad. Then I roll it on there like that. And put some grease on it so when I go to install it, it installs real easy. But like I said, just wanted to show y'all how I did that, and if y'all have any questions, let me know.